Welcome back to Simply NUC. I'm Sean, your senior support technician. Today I'm going to show you how to mount your mini 4x4 PC into our 3U server rack. For this, you're going to need a 3U server rack, a 4x4 mini PC, 2 shoulder mount screws, and your handy dandy tech screwdriver. To start, what we'll do is we're going to flip our 4x4 mini PC over and we're going to install the shoulder screws. We're going to go ahead and put that in there. Make sure not to over torque them. Now, if you don't know, there's 2 holes that these shoulder mount screws will fit into. All right. With our shoulder mount screws installed, we're going to take a look at the rack, and you'll notice a bunch of different little key cutouts here. This is so you can mount your 4x4 PC in different positions. We are going to mount it normally so it sits flush with the rack here today. So I'm going to take my 4x4 mini PC and we are going to slide it into place here. All right. Once we got it into the keyholes, we're going to push down to lock it into place. Your 4x4 mini PC is now secured to the rack and will not be going anywhere until you unmount it. That's how you mount the 4x4 mini PC to a 3U rack. Thank you again for choosing Simply NUC.